My name is Stefan Vandoren. I'm a theoretical physicist working at Utrecht University. And my research is centered around combining quantum mechanics and gravity, the study of black holes and string theory. And as a spin-off, I like to think about whether time travel is possible. Time travel is possible indeed. In fact, we're always traveling in time. We can travel faster into the future by increasing our speed. According to Einstein and special relativity, if we move faster, our clocks go slower. And compared to people who do not travel, we're actually traveling into the future. When we come back and meet the people, they're older than us, and this way we're traveling into the future. The easiest way to travel in time is to do absolutely nothing. Even if we sit still, clocks keep ticking and time goes on, so we travel always in time. But you can change the rate in which you travel in time by either moving with a high speed or by using the gravitational force. If you move with the speed of light or close to the speed of light, your clock goes much slower. And a second example is when you move away from the gravitational field, then the clock goes faster, or vice versa. If you move into a strong gravitational field, your clock also goes slower and you're essentially time traveling. For instance, if you move close to a black hole, if you approach a black hole and you come close to what is called the horizon, time in fact stands still compared to somebody who is not traveling to the black hole. So these are two different ways for time traveling or changing your rate of time by using either the theory of special relativity or general relativity. Traveling back into time, into the past, should not be possible. The reason is that you could travel back in time, meet your grandfather in the past, kill the grandfather, parents could never have been born, and you could never have been born, so it leads to an inconsistency by logical thinking. However, maybe subatomic particles maybe can travel back into time. To prove that that is impossible, we actually need to have all we know about physics and combine the theories of quantum mechanics and general relativity to actually forbid subatomic particles to go back into time. And up to now, we don't have a really solid proof that it's impossible, but no scientist really believes that it's possible. But to prove it is still an open problem.